Hello all, this is Mahi. Welcome to Study with you Mahi. In the last video, I've started the Vishnukundin dynasty and in that I've explained the introduction to Vishnukundin dynasty. In this video, we are going to discuss about the Vishnukundin rulers. If you haven't watched the introduction part of Vishnukundins, please go and watch first and then watch this video. Let's get into our video. First ruler of Vishnukundin dynasty is Indravarma. He is also the founder of Vishnukundin dynasty. He is known as Maharajendra Varma. His another name is Maharajendra Varma. He ruled Vishnukundin dynasty from 350 AD to 370 AD and his title is Priyaputra. He is known as Priyaputra. As I said earlier, he was the first Vishnukundin ruler. He issued Ramatirtha inscription. What? He issued Ramatirtha inscription. Indravarma issued Ramatirtha inscription. He made Indrapala Nagaram as his capital and ruled from there. Indrapala Nagaram is also known as Tummalagudam. What was the first capital of Vishnukundins? It is the Indrapala Nagaram. Indrapala Nagaram is the first capital of Vishnukundins. Next, after Indravarma, Madhavavarma ruled Vishnukundin dynasty and his title is Vikramahendra. He is known as Vikramahendra. Madhavavarma is famous for his engraving caves. He engraved the caves at Undavalli, Bhairavakona, Mughal Rajapuram. He engraved the caves at Undavalli, Bhairavakona and Mughal Rajapuram. He married the princess of Vakatakas. Through this, we can say that Vishnukundins have maintained matrimonial alliances with Vakatakas. What? Matrimonial alliances with Vakatakas. He brought Rushika Mandal into his control. Who? Madhavavarma brought the Rushika Mandal into his control. Rushika Mandal is nothing but in those days Telangana was known as Rushika Mandal. What? Telangana is known as Rushika Mandal. This is very important bit for our exams. And the areas which comes under the Rushika Mandal are Nalgonda, Mahabubnagar, Khammam and Rangareddy district. 4 areas comes under the Rushika Mandal. They are Nalgonda, Mahabubnagar, Khammam and Rangareddy districts. Next, after Madhavavarma, Govindavarma ruled the Vishnukundin dynasty. And his capital also Indrapala Nagaram. What is the other name for Indrapala Nagaram? And he was the greatest of the early Vishnukundin rulers. He is the greatest ruler in the early Vishnukundin rulers. He issued 2 inscriptions. They are Tummalagudam inscription, Indrapala Nagaram inscription. He issued 2 inscriptions. They are Tummalagudam inscription, Indrapala Nagaram inscription. Indrapala Nagaram is the bronze inscription and this was the first Sanskrit inscription founded in Telangana. Indrapala Nagaram is the first Sanskrit inscription which was founded in Telangana region. And Govindavarma have built Govinda Vihara. What? He built Govinda Vihara on the banks of Musi river at Chaitanyapuri and he issued Chaitanyapuri inscription in Prakrit and this is the first Prakrit inscription which was founded in Telangana region. And he was the only Vishnukundin ruler who patronized Buddhism. He was the only Vishnukundin ruler who patronized Buddhism. His wife Paramabhattarika built Mahaviharas for Buddhist monks at Indrapala Nagaram. And the king Govindavarma donated Penkapara village for this Mahaviharas. He donated Penkapara village which is also known as Enamadala. Penkapara village is the present day Mutkur Mandal of Yadadri district. It is the present day's Mutkur Mandal of Yadadri district. As I said earlier, Govindavarma is the greatest ruler in the early Vishnukundin rulers. He defeated Pallavas and expanded his kingdom till Gunlakamma river. He declared himself as Svanaya Bhujalotsa ప్రభావనురాగవత్స స్వరాజ్యేన స్వానయ భుజాలోత్స ప్రభావనురాగవత్స స్వరాజ్యేన. Next, after Govindavarma, Madhavavarma too have ruled the Vishnukundin dynasty. He ruled from 435 AD to 470 AD, and he was the greatest and the most powerful ruler in the Vishnukundin dynasty. Govindavarma is the in early period he was the greatest ruler, and after that Madhavavarma too is the greatest and the most powerful ruler in the Vishnukundin dynasty. His period was known as Golden Era, and he changed the capital from Indrapala Nagaram to Denduluru. He changed the capital from Indrapala Nagaram to Denduluru. And his inscriptions described himself as literate, brave ruler, which is also known as Balasatva Dhairya Vidya Vinaya Sampanna. Balasatva Dhairya Vidya Vinaya Sampanna. He expanded his kingdom by invading neighbor kings. He defeated Shalankyas and Anandagotris and annexed Vengi dynasty. He defeated Pallavas, Vakatakas. He defeated Vengis, Pallavas, Vakatakas. After defeating Madhavavarma too performed Ashwamedha Yaga, Purushamedha Yaga and 1,000 other rituals as a mark of his victory, and he was the first to perform Naramedha Yagas. He was the first to perform Naramedha Yagas, which is known as human sacrifice. And this was the only dynasty in Andhra region to perform this type of sacrifices. This was the only dynasty in Andhra region to perform this type of sacrifices. He patronized Vedic religion. During his period, the Buddhist caves at Mughal Rajapuram and the Undavalli were changed into Hindu temples. Madhavavarma too changed the Mughal Rajapuram Undavalli caves into Hindu temples, and he demolished the Buddha statue at Undavalli and carved the statues of Lord Vishnu in that place. And the statue of Lord Vishnu in this is in sleeping position. This is the present days Ananta Padmanabha Swami temple, and this is the present days Ananta Padmanabha Swami temple. He carved the Purnakumbha at Undavalli caves. He carved Purnakumbha at Undavalli caves. That's it for this video. I'll continue the remaining part of the Vishnukundin rulers in the next coming video. And if you haven't watched Satavahana dynasty, Ikshvaku rulers and the introduction part of Vishnukundin's etc. videos, they are in the playlist of our channel. Please do check out once.